Apple has just unveiled the new Apple TV 4K for 2025, and this launch feels far more ambitious than just another streaming box refresh. For years, the Apple TV has been a reliable but somewhat predictable device in Apple's lineup. It played movies, streamed Netflix and Disney+, ran a few apps, and for the most part, quietly sat in the background of your living room. But with the arrival of tvOS 26 and the redesigned Apple TV 4K, Apple is sending a much bigger message. The TV is no longer just for watching shows, it's becoming the centerpiece of your entire digital lifestyle. What was once a simple box is now being transformed into an entertainment hub. A music stage, a gaming console, a smart home controller, and even a social connection device. In short, Apple wants your television to be the command center of your home. The biggest shift here isn't just hardware, it's philosophy. In the past, Apple TV upgrades were incremental. A faster processor here, a slightly slimmer design there, maybe some added HDR formats. These were useful improvements, but they didn't fundamentally change how people used the device. The 2025 Apple TV 4K changes that. Apple's approach this year feels like a reset, almost as if they've reimagined the very purpose of the Apple TV. Instead of asking how the device can be a better streamer, they asked how it could be more central to the Apple ecosystem and more deeply woven into daily life. The result is a product that doesn't just compete with Roku or Fire Stick. It competes to redefine the television experience entirely. Apple's product strategy this year is surprisingly clear and refreshingly simple. At the high end, you have the Apple TV 4K, the flagship device with all the power and full feature set of tvOS 26 at the entry level. The Apple TV HD still exists, but it's clearly meant for budget-conscious buyers who just want basic access. Importantly, both versions now run tvOS 26, which means the software experience is identical no matter which model you choose. That unified software ecosystem is classic Apple. It ensures that whether you spend $100 or $200, you still feel like you're getting the full Apple experience. The real difference lies in the hardware, where the 4K version unlocks Dolby Atmos, higher performance, and Apple's most advanced features. And make no mistake, Apple wants you leaning toward the 4K. One of the most striking upgrades this year is the new design language. Apple is calling it liquid glass, and it builds on the translucent, layered aesthetic introduced in iOS 19 and macOS Sequoia. Menus feel alive, with floating panels, depth effects, and subtle animations that give the interface a polished, futuristic feel. But what's brilliant is that the design knows when to get out of the way. When you're browsing, it feels immersive and modern. But the moment you press play, the interface fades into the background, so your movie or game takes center stage. It's clean, cinematic, and very Apple. Even more importantly, this design language is consistent across all devices. Moving from your iPhone to your Mac to your Apple TV feels seamless. It's if you're interacting with different pieces of the same system. Compare that to other streaming boxes with clunky ad-filled menus, and the difference is night and day. Now let's talk about features, because this is where Apple really pulled ahead. First up is a small but game-changing improvement: AirPlay Default Audio. In the past, one of the most annoying frustrations with Apple TV was that it never remembered your preferred speaker setup. You could connect your HomePods or AirPlay speakers, but every time the device went to sleep, it forgot. With tvOS 26, you can now set any AirPlay speaker system, whether it's HomePods, Sonos, or a Dolby Atmos, set up as your permanent default. From then on, every time you turn on the TV, the sound goes exactly where you want it. It's a small fix, but it finally makes Apple TV feel like a proper home theater brain rather than just a streaming box. Another standout feature is Apple Music Sing, which has evolved far beyond its original version. Originally, it was just a fun karaoke-style lyric-following tool, but now your iPhone doubles as a wireless microphone. You simply scan a QR code, and instantly your phone connects to the Apple TV as a mic. You can adjust vocals, control playback, and sing directly into your phone while the lyrics and a beat-synced visualizer play on the big screen. It transforms your living room into a karaoke stage. And whether you're hosting a party, singing with family, or just having fun alone, this feature adds a whole new layer of entertainment. It's the kind of playful experience that makes the Apple ecosystem feel alive. Profiles have also been completely rethought. Previously, switching between users was clunky. You had to sign out and back into apps. And recommendations often got mixed up between family members. Now, profiles are fully tied to Apple IDs. That means when you switch to your profile, everything your Apple Music playlists, Apple Arcade saves, TV app recommendations, and even your home app preferences instantly adjust to your account. It's smooth, seamless. It finally solves the age-old problem of kids. Content cluttering up adult WATCHL. Esta's Apple also gave some love to one of its most beloved features, screensavers. For years, Apple's aerial footage of cities, oceans, and space has been a quiet highlight of owning an Apple TV. With tvOS 26, Apple added stunning footage from India, showcasing coastlines, skylines, and cultural landmarks. Even better, you can now curate what you see. Want only cityscapes? Keep them. Prefer landscapes over underwater shots? Hide the ones you don't like. It's a subtle but meaningful change that lets you turn your screen into a personalized art gallery. Under the hood, Apple made plenty of performance upgrades too. Siri feels faster and more conversational. App switching is smoother. And the Home app has stronger support for Matter, the new smart home standard. That means better integration with non-Apple smart devices, giving the Apple TV more credibility as a true smart home hub. Combined with the other features, it's clear that Apple doesn't just want this to be a streamer. They want it to be the control center of your digital home. Now, pricing. Here's where Apple played it smart. Despite all the upgrades, the Apple TV 4K keeps the same pricing as before. That's rare in today's world, where almost every company is raising prices. By holding steady, Apple signals that it wants more households adopting Apple TV as their central hub. The HD model remains cheaper for basic buyers, but it's obvious that the 4K is where the magic happens. Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, default audio control, advanced screensavers, and most of the tvOS 26 innovations all shine brightest in the 4K version. Timing is also classic. Apple tvOS 26 rolled out immediately after the announcement, meaning if you already own an Apple TV, you can update today and get many of the new features without waiting. The new Apple TV 4K hardware itself launches this fall. Perfectly timed for family movie nights, cozy holiday seasons, and of course, gift shopping. Pre-orders open soon, and as history shows with Apple launches, availability might be tight. So, what's the verdict? The Apple TV for K2025 is no longer just a little black box that streams Netflix. It's a living room that pulls together movies, TV, music, gaming, karaoke, smart home controls, and even social features like FaceTime. It's wrapped in Apple's new liquid glass design. It's integrated tightly with the rest of the Apple ecosystem, and powered by a refreshed tvOS that makes everything smoother and smarter. Yes, it's more expensive than competitors like Fire Stick or Roku, but it offers something they can't, a unified premium. Ecosystem-driven experience that feels polished from start to finish. At the end of the day, Apple TV for K2025 is a bold redefinition of what a TV device should be. It's not just about streaming, it's about turning the biggest screen in your home into a smart, personal, and social hub. And that makes this one of Apple's most exciting living room upgrades in years.